Hello my friends, it's Karen and today I'm gonna show you how to make banana oatmeal pancakes. These pancakes have no milk, no eggs, no sugar, and they are packed with fiber and protein. Plus, the batter is super easy to make in just 5 minutes in your blender, which is perfect for busy mornings, and they also last up to 4 days in the fridge or freeze perfectly well to meal prep a week of a healthy breakfast. So first, you need 3 or 4 bananas. The best way to know how much banana you need when you bake with bananas is to weigh on a scale. Here we're gonna use 260 grams of bananas. Measure the amount of bananas and place in your blender. Now add the rolled oats, cinnamon, baking powder. Now add coconut oil or canola oil, any oil you like, vanilla, then almond milk. Now it's time to blend all the ingredients together. I'm using a high-speed Vitamix blender and I'm gonna set up my blender to start on speed 6 and then increase gradually up to speed 8 or 10 until the batter is fully smooth. It takes barely 20 seconds to make your pancake batter. Just be patient and look at the texture. When you can't see any more pieces of oats, the batter is ready. Now, open the blender and transfer the batter into a bowl. I like to do that and not keep the batter in the blender because it's gonna stick to the side of the blender bowl and it's much more harder to remove and put in the pan. Now we're gonna preheat a pancake pan or pancake griddle. For this recipe, make sure you are using a good quality non-stick pancake griddle or pan. To make sure the pancake doesn't stick to the pan, I also like to add a slight amount of olive oil spray. Warm the pan, scoop out a 1/4 cup of batter in the pan and cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Then when the side of the pancake starts to get dry, you can flip the pancake and cook for another 1 minute. The pancakes are now ready to eat. When the pancakes are cooked, place them on a wire rack and keep cooking the remaining pancake. You can serve this pancake with slices of bananas, with some crushed pecan, or any nuts you like, any berries, fresh or frozen, and a drizzle of maple syrup, of course, for a boost of sweetness. These pancakes store up to 4 days in your fridge in a sealed container, but you can also pop them in the freezer and keep them up to 3 months. Simply bring the pancake back in the fridge the day before eating and rewarm in a pan before serving. I hope you guys love this new video. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, just press the notification bell below to follow my channel and make sure you get notified every time I release a new recipe for you.